In this video, I will break down Bolt's pricing plans, which is an amazing AI tool for building web applications quickly from simple landing pages to complex full-stack apps by just using prompts. Let's start with the free plan. This one is perfect if you're just testing things out or building something small. You get both public and private projects, which means you can keep your projects hidden or share them openly. You get a daily limit of 300k tokens and a maximum of 1 million tokens per month. And since this is the free plan, all websites you host on the free plan will show the Bolt branding, so you will see a little made with Bolt type of label on your website. You also get a 10 MB file upload limit, which is fine for small files or quick tests. You can also host your website on the free plan, and for traffic, you get up to 333k web requests, which is a decent amount for small projects. And Bolt gives you unlimited databases, so you can create as many as you want. They just have standard capacity limits. If you're just getting started or you want to experiment without spending money, the free plan is a great place to begin. Next up is the Pro plan, which goes for $25 per month. This is the plan most people go with, and for good reason. It removes almost all the limits from the free plan. Just like the free plan, you can create public and private projects. Then there is no daily token limit. You start with 10 million tokens per month, which is a huge jump and enough for serious projects. Your websites no longer show Bolt branding, so they look fully professional. And you can also share your website privately. File uploads increase to 100 MB, making it much easier to work with images, documents, or larger project files. You also get website hosting with up to 1 million web requests, so your site can handle a lot more traffic. One of the best perks in Pro is that unused tokens roll over to the next month, so you don't lose what you don't use. You also get custom domain support, meaning you can connect your own .com or .net instead of a Bolt-generated URL. This plan also includes SEO boosting, which helps your website rank better on Google. You also get unlimited databases and expanded database capacity, which means more storage and better performance for your data. If you're building something serious, running an active website, or working with AI regularly, Pro is the plan that makes everything feel smooth and unrestricted. Now, if you're working with a group, the Teams plan is built for collaboration. It costs $30 per month per member. You get everything in the Pro plan, but with a bunch of features that make teamwork easier and more secure. First, there's centralized billing, so the team pays together instead of everyone being billed separately. You also get team level access management, which lets you choose who can view, edit, or manage different parts of your website project. Bolt also adds granular admin controls and user provisioning, which basically means admins can add or remove people, set permissions, and control access in detail. Another useful feature is private NPM registries. If you're not familiar with that, it is basically a private storage space for your code packages, very important for teams that want to keep their work secure and internal. Teams also include design system knowledge with per package prompts, which helps keep your UI, components, and design patterns consistent across your apps. And just like Pro, unused tokens roll over to the next month. If you're building projects with multiple developers or designers, the Teams plan keeps everything organized and professional. Finally, for big companies or organizations with strict requirements, there is the Enterprise plan. This one is custom priced, so you have to ask Bolt for a quote. Enterprise includes everything in the Pro plan, plus a long list of advanced features. You get advanced security, including things like SSO and audit logs, which record every action for compliance or tracking. There's compliance support, which is important for companies that need to meet certain legal or security standards. Just like the Teams plan, you get granular admin controls and user provisioning, which, as I already explained, means admins can add or remove people, set permissions, and control access in detail. Enterprise users also get a dedicated account manager with 24/7 priority support, meaning help from Bolt is always available when something goes wrong. Enterprise customers also get custom workflows, custom integrations, and even custom SLAs, which are service level agreements that guarantee things like uptime and response times. It is also designed to scale for large teams and high volume usage, so you can throw a lot of traffic and data at it. You also get flexible billing and procurement options. Then there is data governance and retention policies, which means this plan promises stronger, more formal controls over your website's data, which is important if you run a business, collect user information, or need compliance. And finally, Enterprise includes hands-on onboarding and full enterprise training, so your whole team knows how to use Bolt effectively. One more important thing to note is all these prices are for monthly plans. But if you go for the yearly plan, you will get a 10% discount on all of this, which is great if you plan to use Bolt on a long-term basis. If you are doubtful of Bolt's capacities, you can always continue using the free plan for as long as you want. So, this was a detailed breakdown of Bolt's pricing plans. If you want to watch a detailed tutorial on building a website using Bolt or other AI website builders, you can check this video right here. If you like this video, do drop a like and subscribe to my channel for more such helpful videos. Thanks for watching and I will see you in a new video.